July 4th, 1946. Whoa. German occupied Wyoming.
Bruh.
Wyoming. Ano yan?
Salvador here will guide you through
Salvador.
the tutorial.
Hello,
Hola. Soy secretamente un dictador fascista.
Ba't Spanish? Ba't Spanish, boy? Teka lang.
Si llegas al verdadero final me encontrarás allí.
Okay. Salvador. Sira agad. Ah, hello Salvador. Paano ka napunta doon?
Vine a decirte que hay más en este juego de lo que parece. Hay múltiples finales y si no tienes cuidado tu copia del juego se destruirá por
Ha? Bahala na.
Alright, the first actual map of the game. Good luck. Have fun.
Yun yung ano. Paano mag-crouch? Walang crouch. C. Control. Wala naman. Oh. Pag pumunta dito, mamamatay tayo. No. Dito tayo.
Why do birds suddenly...
So, dito tayo. Baka may secret. Wala. Wait. Safe pala. Sorry. Wala pa. Okay. No. Jumping lang. Whoops. Basic.
Every time
Lala naman nun. Okay. Play na. Wala, zero death. Walang mamamatay ngayon, bro. Oh! Thank you. So, wala pa. Okay. What's this? Wait. Thank you all. Thank you, man. Oh. Ang lapit. Okay. Dapat may isa. Oh!
Careful. You should really watch your step.
Sorry na. Okay, let's go na. Lala. Okay. Ayan, speedrun. Nagulat naman ako. Sorry first time ko lang kasi. Sorry. Okay. Uy. Pag lumapit pa ako, mamamatay ako. Wala pa, hindi ko mababasa yung ano mo. As hindi ko mababasa. Basic lang to.
Whoops, I had the gravity turned off. What? Okay, it's back on this time. What are you doing? I just told you I turned it back on.
Okay. Sorry na. Basic man to. Hi. I have something I need to tell you. Yeah. Okay, we're back. 1, 2, 3, go. Basic lang to, boy. Ha? Oh. Okay, basic. Oop. Isa pa. Oop.
It is heavily implied that you were eviscerated by a saw blade.
Saw blade.
Ow.
Okay. Out. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Okay, isa pa. Oh, let's go. Takbo. Nice. Okay, wala. How am I supposed to get through? Oh.
Bruh.
Okay. Wait. Discord? Hindi naman naka-open Discord ko. Yun. In-game sound effects. Okay. Okay. Go! Go. Speedrun. Go. Nice. Go. Oops. Okay, go. Okay, we're good. Watch this. Ano ba to? Ha? Wow. Kaya na yan. Ito na to. Hindi sa taas pa na makapunta dyan. Oh, yun. Okay. But now, ba't ang and this time, wala pa. Okay. Yo. Ito. Hindi ko nakita yon. Meron ba? Anong gagamba yun ah? Takot ako. Oops, ano yan? Alright, adjust ko muna yung light to. Okay, ano yan? Ano to? What's this? Ano pa to? Okay.
I wonder what red means.
Oh, it's red. Akala ko pink. Red. Ano ba yan? Stop. Oh, stop. Okay. Green. Go. Okay. Red. Green. Go. Stop.
Gee, I wonder what green could possibly mean.
Green.
Moron.
Moron. So red is stop. Green is go. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay. Red. Go. Nice. Ano yan? Blue? Ano yung blue? Oh. Okay. Gets ko na. What's this? Ito. Okay. That. Uy! Laser! Basic. Okay. Okay, basic. Tatlo? Wow, basic lang to. Muntik na. Muntik na. Paano? How? Oh, ganito lang pala. Okay, gets ko na. Ito. Ano yan? Hey, pukin mo. Nakaabot ako. Ano to? Ayan na yan. Okay. Hmm. 3 4. Okay. 1 2 3. Okay, 3 dito tayo. Ha, quick. Okay. Oh. Please type yes. Wala pa. Was the previous drop was too obvious? Yeah. Did you first encounter with risk? No. Your rejects every funny time. Yes. Would you agree that most of the trolls have been pairs of us? Yes. How would you? Yes. Do you know anyone such a friend or family who might enjoy the game? Yes. Do you know there's an multiple and no. Yes, kanina lang. Yes, supers. Maybe. Ay. Will you shower tomorrow? No. No. Have you ever? Yes. Hen. Do you miss your ex? Psych! No. Yes. Do you think you're a good person? No. Yes, of course. Have you ever done anything illegal? No. Have you answered all the questions? Yes. Has anyone ever described? No. Okay. Mahulog tayo dun. There you go. Can I go now? Thank you. Grabe yan question and answer. Okay, what's this? Ayan, may yellow na naman. Wala pa. Whoops. Ha, weak. Oops. Ha. Close it. Bad kayo. Okay. Ano naman to? Oh, we're full. Okay. Okay. Tayo mamamatay tayo dyan. Isa pa. Let's go. Alright, that's right. Oh, okay. Kita ko na. Go. Go. Hindi mo na ako magugulat. Punta ko na doon. Yan. Okay, let's go. Isa pa. Go. Okay, let's go. Nice one. Mga to. Okay.
For legal reasons.
What's this? Ano to? Squid Game? Squid Game ba to? Pero si Mickey Mouse. Yan. Okay, yun na yun. Okay, sige. Okay, let's go down. Up. Let's go up pala. Okay. lang. Stop behind you. Pinaprank ako ng game. Pinaprank ako ng game. Susumbong ko kayo kay Steam. Okay. Spider says press the red button. Please don't kill me. Okay. Spider says press the red button. Blue, red, green, red. Anong red? Saan dito? Yung blue na red? Blue red? Or red na may highlight? Oh, yung red na may highlight. You're very good pressing this later. Red. Oh, yun, tama. Jump in the spike pit. Nah, you didn't say spider said. Walang may sabi spider said, so hindi ako jump doon. Ayoko mag-jump. Di ba tama? Na. Ayun. Ibag yung game. Okay. No. This. Photoflower. Okay. Ano to? How many? Can I check? Buti pwede ma-check. Okay.
It is heavily implied that you were impaled by spikes.
Okay. Nabanti na. Wait. Ko-account ko yung 6. Oh no. Huh. Fake. Random ba to? Okay. Nag-lag yata yung game. Wala na. Let's check na. Wala. Okay, wala. Oh, alam. No. Gray yun, di ba? Yes. Nice one.
Wow, you have photographic memory and totally didn't cheat by looking back at a VOD or having prior knowledge of the game. Impressive.
Siyempre ako pa. Bakit ba? Okay, wrong no? Okay. Yun na yan? Yun na yun? Okay, yun na yun.
Ah, yes. The obligatory maze level. No game would be complete without them. Or am I thinking of water levels?
Ano to? What's this? Okay. I'm going far away. Walang... Pag ito may spider no? Kaya sabi ko sa'yo. Wala. Okay, wala. Ito, pag ito may spider talaga. Ito na natin dito. Dito. Wala. Dito. Okay. No. Naririnig ko dito. Wala. Okay. Wala na. Patay na ako nito. Dito. Wala. Yan. Naririnig ko yung ano. Allow escape. Wala. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Yes. Nakalabas din. Uy, inverted. Okay, kaya ko to. Wait. Kaya ko to. Inverted oh. Games far away. Yeah, I'm streaming as well. Streaming, I mean. Making videos. Oh, wait. Help na ito ah. What?
Hey, so here's a pro tip. If you turn your mouse upside down,
Okay.
then it's like you don't even have inverted controls. I'm not even trolling when I say this, but yeah, an early beta tester from about a year and a half ago figured this out and beat the map that way. Go try it out.
Yeah, pero inverted to ah. Inverted yan, inverted. You know? Eh. Bunga no? Uy! Okay, I can beat this na. I can beat this na. I stream now, I don't care if you're streaming. Yeah. I can beat this na. Okay, let's wait to go muna dito. Okay, so, yan. Oh. Nawawala. Oh, buti ano. Ay, babaliktad ko lang. Ayan. Di ba basic? Yun. Di ba basic? Lala. Basic talaga. Oops. Wow, nagdalag. Oh, teka lang. Sa endgame yata yun. Dapat pang medium. Yo, endgame nga. Endgame lag. Ay, yo.
Are you good? You seem to be lagging a bit.
I am lagging a bit, sure ka? Look at that. I am lagging a bit, sure ka? Yo, naglalag talaga. Like, am I lagging a bit? Ay, yo. Hindi na to sa ano ko. Uy, turn my game back on. Ay,
Nice jump, I guess.
okay. Yo, naglalag talaga yung game. Hey, yo. Ba't ganon? Yo, naglalag ko yung game. Hey, yo, in-game lag to boy. Kahit mga workstation, di kaya yung game. Paano na kaya ito? So yun o, naglalag na o. Yan siya o. Yan siya o. Ay! Pasok. Ay, nice o. Uy, yun.
Okay, I'm honestly getting a headache watching this. Next.
No next. Are you watching? Wala nang lag. Dahil in-game lag yan. Okay yan. Pick your favorite color. Don't see the color. Dito yata. Red. Go. And
Seizure warning, by the way.
seizure warning. Ayan, next. Motorcycle. Oh. Bobby, nilagyan mo pa ng label. Ay, ako.
In this game, a dangerous cube chases you. Each time you successfully jump to the next platform, your score goes up. How high of a score can you get?
Try natin. Try natin na. Go, 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 go. Mayroon sila rin mo. Okay, let's go, 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 go.
Whoop!
Diba?
Oh, you broke out already? I honestly thought that would have taken you longer to figure out. I didn't even finish building this section of the map yet. Just a moment. All right, there we go.
Ito lang.
Oh, silly me. I forgot the exit.
Yun, may barilan. Okay.
Hey, we need to have a talk. You're playing through this game way too fast. It's hard to believe you're taking anything in at the pace you're going at. So with that in mind, here is a door that will only open 4 hours from now. You'll thank me later.
4 hours? What am I supposed to do? Okay. Mag-save na lang muna ako to. Mag-wait na lang ako. Ay!
5 minutes later.
Thank Waiting you for is your definitely the patience. intended solution. In return, I've got an exciting new feature awaiting you on the next map.
Wow, crowd. Okay, first ito. E. Oh, E. Kala ko C.
I mean, I couldn't have made it more obvious what was going to happen there. You can really only blame yourself. Maybe this time we'll try crouching. You know, that thing that I deliberately added into the game just now.
Fine, fine, fine. I will do anything. Yan, nakaka... Ganun ba? This isn't fair. Okay. Makakatulog ko sa kanya. Okay.
Next up, a double jump power-up. Now we're talking.
Double jump. Ooh. Wow. Ah.
Well, I'm guessing we might be here a while, so I'm gonna go grab breakfast.
Lala. Okay, I can do this. 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 Yes. Okay. Diba? Basic lang.
Okay, I'll admit, so far, these new additions have been a bit dry.
Right? Parang may susunod sa akin dun. Okay.
Okay, what about vehicles?
Oh. Ano to?
No. This is far too cramped. This won't do at all. What you need is a nice open area to drive around in. Ah, that's much better.
Saan? Dito ko lang.
Ah, isn't this wonderful? Just you, me, and this giant box for you to drive around in. One might even call it a sandbox game.
Sandbox game.
Sorry.
Ay, nangyari sa'yo? Ang strong. Uy. Napupuntahan daw tayo. You know? Okay. First time nagka-third person. Okay. Baliw ka. Okay.
Wait, seriously? You're already done?
Yeah.
But you haven't even been playing 5 minutes.
So?
You know, some games are literally just this. Driving mindlessly for hours and nothing else. But
Yeah.
you're telling me you're already done?
Yeah.
I just don't get it. What do you want from me?
I just want to play with games. That's all.
Okay, I have thought long and hard on this, and I see it all so clearly now. The game has a severe lack of player agency.
Okay.
And to address this, I think I've come up with something we can both appreciate.
What's
This
this?
next game mechanic needs no introduction. Enjoy.
Breakable. Okay. Good.
Yes! Yes! Oh God, yes! This is what the game has been missing. The only way this could be any better is if we had a moving target. And I know exactly where to find one.
Yo, don't tell me it's a spider. Yo.
Do you remember that pesky spider that's been tormenting you through the entire game?
Yeah.
Well, I've made him completely harmless and trapped him in the next room.
Okay.
Now is your chance for revenge.
Okay. Sabi na yung spider siya eh. Nandyan.
And there it is. Now the spider is at your mercy. Nothing? I probably could have done more with this whole shooting mechanic. Oh well. What you and this game both need now are thrills, not frills. So let's raise the stakes, shall we? Clearly, death has become meaningless in this game now. So from here on out, if
Then-
something
okay.
only kills you, consider yourself lucky. In this map, you have to climb all the way to the top to proceed. And if you fall, you start all over again. And before
Yo.
you ask, there are no checkpoints. Good luck.
Oh no. Okay. Basic.
Oh, that was almost